Well, welcome to our 2020 motorcycle toy hauler trip, our last day in Petoskey area.
Yeah. Sprocket's ready for a road trip.
Do you really think that...
Are you ready for a road trip? Hey, hey, how? Come on, Sprocket. Mr. Sprocket. You ain't gonna do it.
It looks like...
Marcia.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
here comes trouble.
Where's Trouble?
She's up here on the door. Hey,
Come on,
Trouble.
baby. Come on, Trouble.
What you doing? Huh? Marcia, what you doing?
Cooking breakfast outside on our grill.
And this is our last day here, isn't it?
Yes.
We load the bikes, we load the dogs,
And we
and
don't want to leave because it's beautiful here.
it is. But we're gonna go to another neat place in Michigan, ain't we?
Yep.
Oh man, the one thing this camera don't capture, how well that bacon smells.
Well, like I've said before, you want to always check out their website, and you can probably spend more time on this website than watching this video. This kind of gives you an idea how far it was. It wasn't very far. You could safely say under 13 miles. Alright, some nice country roads, and here we go, our last day. Now, we went through Boyne probably 3 different times, and each time we went, I always seen Old Glory waving, and I thought this was one neat looking city hall. The place is really nice. The water is up here on the right, and a little bit of the town goes to the right towards the water, and then on the left is kind of like their main street.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
Since we belong to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, and there's plenty of them up here in Michigan, we definitely had to stop here, get an adult beverage, and check it out. It's neat. And then it was back on our bikes just for a little short hop here to park on one of them busier roads there in Boyne. And there we are, the bike's parked, and this is how I get pictures off of the video. So when I want to take pictures, I go back to the video and clip right there. That's one of the pictures that came off the video. Back to exploring Boyne, Boyne, Boyne.
Neat little town. Yep. Got your bag.
Looking through the website, I seen where they have a lot of music festivals here that it's pretty well known in Michigan. And of course they got fudge and they got ice cream here, and me and Marcia just had to stop and just to sample it, make sure they're doing a good job, and they're definitely doing a good job.
Yeah. We're in boing, 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 boing.
Now you gotta remember, it's August 11th here, and I did see some people swimming, but the temperatures are nice and cool here. You know, I always hate that part when it's your last day at a certain place on a road trip or vacationing like we are. And this is our last day in the Petoskey area, and it's kind of sad, but at the same time we're excited to check out Stanwood, Michigan, which will be coming up very shortly.
Hey, baby.
From here, we end up going back over to Petoskey RV Resort, and later on today we load up our bikes and get ready for tomorrow.
Look behind you.
Well, this brings us to the end of the video for Petoskey area. And just another note, a lot of you have followed us on our Michael and Marcia's Motorcycle Trips webpage. As of yesterday, March 31st, I will no longer be able to add stuff to our website because they've changed the format. We will still have everything we had up to date now running on there, but for anything else, it's no longer. It used to be a neat place to end up putting all the information where you could read it. So now it will just be YouTube and Facebook. Well, maybe one day I'll build another. Well, our next videos will be from Stanwood, Michigan, and I gotta tell you, there are so many cool looking barns that we saw there. We'll get a lot of video of that. Until the next video, we'll see you later. Hope you enjoyed this one. See ya.